So I checked everything and I like it everything right now. So now let's go and start making the leg part, and I will erase all these things from here, and I will make 2 dots over here. Now this is the part where we are going to draw leg. So suppose this is the half, right? Over here I really want this leg, the back leg, to little bit move this side. So I'm going to draw here. So this is the place I'm going to draw. Next to this half line, I'm going to draw a smiley over here, little bit down, okay? Not on the line, little bit down over here. So this was my half line next to this one over here. Now from here, I will draw, suppose this is a smiley, I will draw 2 teeth. And then I'm going to pull from here and I'm going to make wide legs over here. So suppose this is the leg and I'm going to make it really wide leg over here. From here to this was my guideline over here, right? So little bit out, and I'm going to do another leg. And this time over here I did a smiley. Over here I will do this side only, not only smiley, half smiley, you can say, like that. This is the line, so this is little bit high. So I will go like that, going up Y. From here again I will start, but this time this is the line. I'm not going to touch this line, very close to this line, but smaller than this leg, okay? Tilted just a little bit. Make sure you did this much thick, so almost this much thick, and then you have to connect over here. The back one I'm going to draw a V shape, so I did one line over here and then one line this way, and I will erase all my guidelines now.